In today's video I will show you how to do augmented reality quick look as well as 3D quick look with few lines of code in React Native. Of course the video is only for iOS. If you are interested for the Android video, please do subscribe to my channel, and once I'm able to monetize my channel, I might buy an Android phone as well with AR capabilities. So I will first show you guys what the output is. So here you can see that I have a button, and on click of that button, so here is the button. So open quick look. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but on click of that button we will open this view. So it is a quick look view, and you can view your 3D object in AR, like in augmented reality space, as well as in object, which means just in the 3D model space. So the plane which you see is the 3D model, which is in UHDZ format. So here you can see that I am pointing my camera on the floor, and soon the plane will jump on the floor. So yeah, it will stick on the floor, and I can zoom in, zoom out, and here I can move on to the 3D space as well. So yeah, so here you can see if I select object, I can just see that 3D model, and here also I can rotate, zoom in, zoom out. So a few things first. So the 3D model should only be in UHDZ file format. If it is in another file format, it might not work, because UHDZ file format is the recommended format by Apple. So yeah, let's get started. So first create a React Native app. So I have created a React Native app, as you can see, and next what you have to do is you have to enable the new architecture. So for iOS you have to run this command from the root of your iOS directory. Once you do that, so this will be a turbo native module, and I will quickly go through this because I have explained this a lot in my previous video. So you have to create this folder first, rtnmyer. Inside this create a JS folder, and inside that create this file nativemyer.ts. and here I have just copy pasted everything from docs. This method name has been changed as well as the return type, and this thing has been changed. Next package.json, again copy pasted from docs. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed, and this has been changed. Next pod specs file, again copy pasted from docs. Only the file name has been changed, and this name has been changed. Next you have to go to how to create a code gen for this. So you have to run this command first, yarn add /rtnmyer. Then you have to do cd dot dot. This command should be run from the root of your React Native project, and then you have to do cd dot dot. This will move you outside your React Native project, and then you have to fire this command from the terminal. But here the slight modification which you have to make is, so here you can see the root of my React Native project name is my app2. So here I have used my app2, my app2, my app2. So whatever is your project name, use that. Okay, and if you want more context, you can see over here as well. So these are the commands which we are running, but they are slightly changed in our case. Okay, so this will create this generated folder inside rtnmyer. Next you have to open the iOS folder inside Xcode, and firstly what you have to do is you have to copy a 3D model UHDZ file. So you can just search on Google. So I have just copied this plane inside my project. Next you have to increase the deployment target to at least 14 here as well as over here as well. Next we have to create this header file, and again I have copy pasted this from docs. Only the file name has been changed at appropriate time. Next I have created an Objective-C file, C++ file as well. So create an Objective-C file and then change the extension manually to .mm. And here again I have copy pasted this from docs. Only thing which you have to change is you have to add this bridging header file name. So I will tell you how to create this bridging header. So whatever is the bridging header file name, you have to add the over here, followed by -swift.h, and again this has been copied from docs. Here we are initializing our Swift file, so I will come back to the Swift file as well. And here this is boilerplate code, only this has been changed. And in open quick look method, we are calling the launch method of our Swift file. So next you can just create a Swift file And once you create a Swift file, Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Click yes. So it will create this bridging header for you, this bridging header. Next, inside Swift file, you have to first import quick look and React. Next, you have to extend these two classes, and you have to copy paste these two methods. And here this should be your 3D model name, so whatever name you have. And here from the main thread we will open this quick look preview controller, and we will use RCT presented view controller for this. Another important thing which you have to create this prefix header.pch file as well. So here all you have to do is you have to add this import. That's it. To create a pch file, just right click, new file, search for pch, and next, and you will create. Just add this import, because this import is necessary because we are jumping from Objective-C to Swift, that's why. Next, go over here, and in my app to go to build settings, and you have to search for Apple CLang. Okay, so Apple CLang, Apple CLang language, and you have to make this pre-compile prefix header as yes, and in prefix header you have to add prefix header.pch. So yeah, I think that should be it. And now to use it, you have to use import rtn myar, native myar, and you can, I have added a button, and on press I'm just open quick look. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.